An origami flasher is a fun and simple paper model that can be made by following these steps. Materials: square piece of paper, preferably thin paper, such as origami paper or printer paper. Instructions: begin by folding the paper in half diagonally to create a triangle. Unfold the paper and fold it in half diagonally in the opposite direction to create another triangle. Unfold the paper and lay it flat with the creases facing up. Take one corner of the paper and fold it up to the center of the paper, making a crease. Repeat step 4 with the other 3 corners of the paper, so that all 4 corners are folded up to the center. Flip the paper over and repeat steps 4 and 5 on this side. Unfold the paper and flip it over again so that the creases are facing up. Take one of the corners and fold it inwards along the diagonal crease, so that it meets the center crease. Repeat step 8 with the other 3 corners of the paper. Flip the paper over and repeat steps 8 and 9 on this side. Unfold the paper and flatten it out. Take the left and right sides of the paper and fold them towards the center, along the vertical creases. Repeat step 12 with the top and bottom sides of the paper, folding them towards the center along the horizontal creases. The paper should now have 8 small squares in the center and 4 large triangles around the edges. Take one of the large triangles and fold it upwards along the diagonal crease, so that it covers 2 of the small squares. Repeat step 15 with the other 3 large triangles, so that all 4 are folded upwards to form a diamond shape in the center of the paper. Hold the model firmly and gently push the top and bottom of the diamond shape towards each other. The model should now begin to flash back and forth between 2 different colors on the front and back of the paper. Congratulations, you have now made an origami flasher.